What's good, bullies? Another day at the office. Look what I got. JDM H22, couple spun bearings in the block, Type S cams. Start ripping the block apart. I'm gonna do a complete tear down. There'll be a little bit of a tutorial on this one. I'm gonna talk a lot through this one, and pretty much show y'all how to tear down a block. And we're gonna see exactly what bearings is spun in here. I'm hoping it's not any main bearings, so I can reuse the block. But if it is, I'm gonna have to figure out a plan B. But let's get to it. I do got the engine stand, but unfortunately I don't got the screws to put them in, so Alright guys, we back. Got the block stripped down. Pistons look like shit, but I'm not reusing the pistons or the rods or the crank. Crank is here. We'll get some close-ups in a minute. But we're gonna overhaul the block real quick. Look at the cylinder, see if we got any scoring or anything. Like I said before, I'm putting the crank and rods from the F22B in here. It's 95mm crank. And I got a new H23A1 pistons, so it'll still be in the 9.1 compression range. This motor is going to be boosted. I ain't going to talk to y'all too much to start overhauling some shit. Alright, so one of my main concerns, because I was told this motor has spun bearings, was the main journals. You know, if these were shot, the fucking block would be useless. So, but we look pretty good on this part. This one does look a little questionable, like maybe that might have been a bearing that spun. This one too. Well, they don't look too bad. Let's clean up the cylinders, flip it over, and see what kind of condition the cylinders are in. Alright, so you can see the cylinders here. This one looks worse from this angle. That is a groove there in the lining. Not too bad. The worst spot is just this one right here. That gouge is pretty bad. But we'll see. Other than that, they look pretty good. Just need to be cleaned up a bit. I'll probably take a little bit of Scotch-Brite to them. That's it for this one. Part one of the tear down. Next video, I'll be tearing down the F22 block. Then we'll go and oversource all the parts, and then start the rebuild, head clean up, everything. Until then, keep bullying, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.